Hey gamers. My lipstick looks so bad right now. I have to reapply it. Anyway, my sister's birthday is in 14 days. 2 weeks. 2. I'm going to make her the spell book from Disney Descendants because we're obsessed with Disney Descendants and I think she'd really like it. But first I have to clean out my belly button, so it's a whole thing. It's infected. Don't worry about it. I'll see you shortly. Alright, so the first step to making this journal thing, because I don't want to actually make like a whole book and I want her to be able to like write in it and stuff, I'm just going to find a journal roughly the right size and stuff and then decorate it. And then just copy pictures from the movie. So yeah, I'll try to remember to insert some pictures, what that looks like. I'm gonna make the dragon on the cover out of polymer clay and then spray paint it gold and then spray paint or possibly just actually paint the green part. I'm working on it. It would be really great if I could do this without having to buy anything. We'll see. Okay. That looks better. Also, I'm not this freakishly pale. That's actually just what happens when I wear dark lipstick. Also, my eyebrows are really dark right now, so it's making me look paler. I swear. Okay, I'll go through my journals and see you then. So I did end up actually asking Stella, my sister, for a journal that I could use for a project. Here it is. Gotta decorate this, make it look way cooler. I was thinking about making the dragon out of polymer clay and gluing it to the front, but I honestly think then she wouldn't be able to take it very many places and it'd probably break, or like crumble or like get scuffed or something like that, fall off even. So I think I'm just gonna paint the dragon design on. I think that'll last longer, and then I'll probably just put like a clear coat over top of it to make it stay, like I did with my grimoire, which I don't have right here with me as an example, but yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna paint the cover of this. I think the first step is probably to sand it down so that the paint will stay better. So yeah, I'll probably just sand the front a little bit and then trace out the design. So yeah, stay tuned. Hey, so quick update. I finished painting this thing black. It's all dry now. I covered up the logo and stuff. And it looks really good, and the paint will stick way better now. So, that's done. Now I'm going to trace this for the circle on the front. Too big. Damn it. So I need to find something else to trace for the circle on the front. Okay, this is good. Okay, and now I am going to, oh, I actually have a brighter green than that. Use this green, or I should use it purple first. So I'm just going to get started on the circle thing, and then I'm going to make a stencil of I'm gonna make a stencil of the dragon that goes on the front. this show, or the movies, Disney Descendants, like, obviously they're really funny and kind of dumb and kid stuff, you know, but me and Stella have been obsessed with them for a while, and we just love, like, fairy tale themed stuff, and we know all the songs. We watched them, like, I think I've seen all 3 movies 4 times now, so yeah. It's just like a big part of our friendship, and I think she's really gonna like this. So yeah. I'm just doing the purple ring around this thing right now. Oh, I should probably honestly do like an above view so I can time lapse this. But yeah, you got a little chit chatty part. Damn it, my lipstick's messed up again. So I got distracted talking to Stella downstairs. This lime crime stuff really does not survive well. Okay, so here's the journal right now. I'm just gonna make some, like a circle of paper to cover this part, and then like sprinkle green around the side to give it that like kind of like cartoon spray paint effect. So that's what I'm doing right now. Yeah, I'll just cut a piece of paper, trace it around the side. That's big enough. Whatever, I'll tear it. It doesn't need to be perfect. Okay, so now I'm gonna sprinkle some paint. So this is what it looks like right now. Just got done with the circle. So I'm going to make a stencil for the dragon and then spray paint that on. And then I'll probably try to spray paint the corners as well so that it looks like the ends of the book. But yeah, it's almost done. I'm really excited. I'll have to wait for this to dry though. I'm really proud of it. Alright, so I finished cutting this thing out, the stencil. I cut the dragon out in one piece, so I'll honestly probably put this in my journal because it's really cool. But yeah, so now I'm gonna put that over it, try to spray paint it. I am spray painting indoors. I know that's stupid, but like it's just a tiny spot and the fumes won't kill me. So, yep, that's what's happening. Okay, so obviously it's not completely ready. It's a little blurry at the edges, so I'll tidy it up with some black paint and probably try to brighten up the purple part. But yeah, so that'll be the dragon part done, and now I just have to make the little triangles on the end. And I'll probably do that while I wait for the dragon to dry before I tidy it up. Alright. Here's one last update before I go downstairs and give this time to dry so I can clean up the little bits and pieces. I'm really, really proud of it. I think it's super cool, and I'm gonna leave a little message on the inside, like some kind of rhyming spell, and like in the movies about how it's her birthday and stuff. But yeah, I'm really excited about it, and the next time you see it, it will be a lot cuter. Okay, so just a quick update. Here is the journal after I refined the design a little bit, tidied it up a whole bunch. It's super cute, and and I used hot glue to make the little bumps on the spine like it's an actual book that's like bound, and then painted over those with black. So I'm just waiting for that to dry, and then I'll probably stain the pages, or some of them at least, to make them look kind of old, and then write the spell thing, and then I'm done. That's everything. So I'm really excited about that. Okay, so just a quick update. I did not get a final shot of the whole thing before I wrapped it. The message was kind of personal, so I wasn't going to film that anyway, but I did stay in the pages and it looked super cute, and I think I filmed that part, but honestly I'm not sure. Anyway, I wrapped it up in this newspaper that had an article about mystery writers, and it had Agatha Christie in it. Me and Stella love mystery stories, so I used it to wrap the present. Plus it looks super cool and like vintage when I wrap it in newspaper. I love doing that. And I have an insane amount of newspapers. That's what this whole box is. Because my mom gave them to me, so it's perfect for stuff like that. Anyway, that's the end. So yeah, I really love it. I might try to get some footage of it after Stella opens it, or I might film her opening it. We'll see.